In this video, we want to show you how you can conduct an ANOVA test using our TI-84 calculator. So in this case, we want to test the mean calorie count for the different types of hot dogs to test to see if they are equal. And so I'll let mu1, mu2, and mu3 represent the mean calorie counts for beef, meat, and poultry hot dogs respectively. So to state our hypotheses, the null hypothesis would be that the means are equal. So mu1 equals mu2 equals mu3. The alternative hypothesis would be that this is not the case. In other words, there's at least one that is different than the others. So we have mu1. It is not the case that mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3. So in order to conduct the test, we need to enter in the three data sets into our list. So we would just press Stat and then Edit. So press Enter there. And in L1, L2, and L3, I have already entered in the values in each of the three columns. And so you can enter in these as three separate lists. So now that that has been done, press Second in Mode for Quit. Take us back to this screen. Now I want to conduct the ANOVA test. So I'll press Stat, then arrow over to Test, and then toward the very bottom you should find ANOVA. And so if you press Enter, so select ANOVA, you should see ANOVA command line started, and you want to put in the three lists separated by commas. So press second and 1 for L1, comma, press second and 2 for L2, then press comma, and second and 3 for L3. So now I have the command, let's run ANOVA on L1, L2, and L3. And so L1 will give us a mu1, L2 will give us a mu3, and L3 represents the data from our sample for finding mu3. So when I press Enter, it runs the one-way ANOVA test. It gives us our F statistic, which is 16.074 approximately, so I've entered this. The p-value, notice it says 3.86, but it says e to the negative 6, so this suggests that what? 0.00000, 5 zeros, and then the 3862. This is a very small p-value. So in conclusion, we would what? We would reject the null hypothesis. The test is significant. So there is strong evidence that the mean calorie counts of hot dogs, meat hot dogs, and poultry hot dogs are not equal. In other words, at least one of the mean calorie counts is different than another. And if you ran a two-sample t-test comparing beef to meat, you probably would not find a difference. But if you ran a two-sample t-test between beef and poultry, you would. As would you if you ran a two-way t-test between meat and poultry. But our goal here was to just show how to run the one-way ANOVA test. I hope this has helped.